Hi guys, hi everyone. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evenings, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinars. Hi David, hi Lily, hi Kent. How are you guys doing? Wow, I was looking at gold. Okay, I think the market open. Okay. I think price rising, I think close to 800 pip right now. Guys, a quick one. If you want to sell gold, okay, at your own risk, this is your sell zones. Okay, if you want to sell gold right now, gold is our sell zones. I have to tell you first, it's a high risk. Okay, this is my sell zone for gold, guys. The first here pullback, this is your sell entry. Since we start, okay, this is my sell zone for gold. Okay. High risk stop loss you put above. You can put here for your stop loss if you want to. Again, at your own risk. I could be wrong. Okay. And TP1, you can just aim for the swing low here. Okay. Which is about almost 100 pip. TP2 is at this zone. So basically for gold right now, I am waiting to buy gold at this like these zones. Okay. Just put small lot, you put like 0.01. Hi guys. Hi everyone. How you guys doing? How was your weekend? Can you guys see and hear me clearly? Today is a simple topic. Okay. We're going to talk about support and resistance, swing high, swing low, and pullback and overlap. Can you guys hear me clearly? Can you give me the thumbs up? Oh, the middle, you can't really, see my face. Okay. All right, guys, we just begin our session again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinars. Okay, as you can see, today's webinar is on support and resistance part 1. All right, and just before I start, disclaimer first, okay. This information is not considered as an investment advice or investment recommendation, but instead a marketing communication and risk warning. Our products are traded on margin and carry a high level of risk, and it is possible to lose all your capital. This product may not be suitable for everyone, and you should ensure that you understand the risk involved. Okay, so about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. Okay, so this is the agenda for today. So basically today we're going to explore how swing high, pullback, overlap zone help us to identify the potential support resistance level in the market. This is the agenda, okay, like where you're going to pick the starting point, and we're going to combine like pullback and overlap and using support and resistance with the Fibonacci. So first identify the key level. Second, we're going to use Fibonacci to confirm our level. Okay. Okay. So what is the support and resistance? That will say that support is the price level where demand is strong enough to prevent the price decline further. Oh, okay, that's good. And the resistance is the opposite of the support, where where selling pressure prevent price from the moving higher. So basically, right? Also, the resistance is act at the selling and the support is act at the falling. Basically, it will look like this. Okay, so or you can look for those like capital A. Whenever you see like capital A here, you will notice the resistance. When you see the capital V, these are the support level. Right, you look at the chart, which is, when you go here, I'm gonna remove everything. Okay. Why this? Clear. Okay. As you can see right now, this is the London section. Okay. It seems like go to higher time frame first. You will see that based in H4 time frame. Okay. This is my support level. Okay, price was testing at this level, right? Before they decided to break, which is today. It's on 10th of November. You can see that break pullback, still rising so strong right here. And I was saying that I want to sell, okay, when I was looking at the M15, which is here. Okay, this is the OB. It seems like they're going to break. Is my gonna hit my stop loss? Okay, based on here. The resistance in H4, I was looking at this level. Okay. This is my resistance level. First resistance. Okay. And price is close to my resistance level already. After that, you pull the Fibo, right? Maybe there will be 78.6, still slightly above that. But this is my resistance level. If you go to the in H1, okay, you will see that this is like, it look like the capital V, right? So I identify this my resistance level. You see the pullback, and this look like the capital V. Okay, this also, so the support here, you can see the support here or support here. Okay, now let's say if I were to pick this one at my support level, okay, this are the OB or the block. Okay, I gonna move, right? We see the price almost touching the resistance level. Okay, and this was the OB with the first time went in. Okay, it was at like 86. Either this is gonna be the bearish divergence here, and then you can sell. Okay, or if price did not respect or break above my first resistance, the next resistance level in H4, you look to the left. Okay, whenever you want to identify the level, like for here, this one used to be the resistance, right? When they break, it become your pullback support level. The next resistance, where should repeat, guys? This is your next resistance level, 4150, second resistance level. Meaning that if price could not hold at 4085, the next resistance, that's gonna be another 600 pip. Okay, another 600 pip. Now, we go to the lower time frame. If this one, the zone, we're gonna sell, right? This is our sell zone, guys. And if you say right now, you're gonna have very tight stop loss.
Order filled.
Right here. Just now, I think somebody buy from this level. This is my first resistance, the support level. Now, where is my support level? Based in H4, my support level H4, I would pick this is my pullback support level. Okay. Which is like this swing high, break, pullback. Okay, so we're gonna look for these zones to buy. Okay, whenever you look to the left here. Let's say this is gonna be the swing high resistance level, but because the candle still haven't closed, let's say this is my high, the recent high. If I want to use Fibonacci from this swing low to this swing high, this zones is gonna be how many percent? 61.8% Fibonacci. So this is gonna be my buy zone. Divergence, yes, this is a bearish divergence. To me, look like divergence, yeah. Okay, Lily asked me what kind of stop loss method should we use in a volatility product. Okay, if you want to use stop loss, okay, recommended you guys to use the ATR. You know how to use the ATR, guys? Yes, the ATR. You go to the indicator. You go to ATR, average 2 range. Okay. I'm gonna go to H4. Let's say you trade gold, okay. The stop loss, you need to use the stop loss. Based on H4 time frame right now is about 280 pip, meaning that within H4 time frame, gold moves about 280 pip. Okay? Okay, what I mean? Meaning, where is that? Let's just round up. I just say like 29 or 80. Let's say I'm short. I'm go for short. Just now, somewhere around here. You look here, okay? That would be 29, right? I just put like a 29 round up. Somewhere here. Okay. And then my take profit, if you want to aim for 1-to-1, your take profit is gonna be here. That's how I will enter at the market price. Right. Now I enter sell. Meaning that my stop loss is there. 4112. If you want to aim for 1-to-1 risk and reward, this is gonna be risk and reward 1-to-1, right? Remember? You can see risk and reward 1-to-1. If you want to aim for 1-to-2, then you just TP1 here, then you would say, okay, TP1 here, you would say TP1. And then TP2, you would aim at this somewhere close to, would be TP2. And then that would be how many risk and reward? 1 to 1.5. You go to indicator. Okay, batch in H4, it's about, let's just say 280, or let's just say 280 pip. If you look for D1, we didn't go in D1 time frame, go move is about 920 pip moving. So you need to put the entry plus 922. Right, you get what I mean? Okay, trailing stop or set the limit price to sell at it cannot set stop loss if we are, sell limit. Okay, this is the one. For example, another one, let me go for the GBP. Okay, let's say based on the GBP, if I want to sell based on the resistance level, pull back. Let's say you want to sell here, price approaching. This is gonna be my pivot point, my sell entry. Okay, but where I'm going to put a stop loss? Look for the ATR. That will be how many? X09. Go for short. Let's say I put the sell limit here. 0x09. Okay. Zero zero X. Let's just say here, I put 00x10. Okay, that's gonna be your stop loss. If you aim for 1-to-1 risk and reward, okay, and then the TP 1-to-1 gonna be somewhere here. Gonna be somewhere here if you're gonna put. Okay, if you think that, oh, this is my neck resistance I was looking at, so you say, oh, they're too close to my neck resistance, then you can put like above, maybe here, and then with your TP, if you want to aim 1-to-1 to be here, or you can just put somewhere here, really risk and reward, meaning if you want to sell here, okay, and then you put the stop loss, you look, okay, you look here, right, you did look this number, you double click about 00x09, then first one should be somewhere 0x09. I will put you're gonna put here, but then you will see the, oh, this is your neck resistance, so you might want to adjust above, and then you want to aim the 1-to-1, then you look here, 1-to-1 risk and reward. This is how you place the stop loss and take profit. Whenever price is reversed, okay, trigger your pending order, then you just chip the stop loss, either to protect your capital, maybe somewhere here below your entry. This is if you trade in D1, meaning that if you trade in D1 time frame, then you're gonna be the swing. You're gonna be the swing trader, right? If you're day trade, then you say, oh, I think I'm gonna just enter on the H4. For the H4 ATR, it's about 0.0031. And then you just adjust 31, 32, or something. Okay? And then the TP, you aim for, this is 2. And then you tell me that, but the next resistance to me in H4 is gonna be here. So I think I'm gonna put above. Then you're gonna be little reward still like 1-to-1. All right? This is how you use. Recommended you guys to use the ATR to place stop loss and take profit in significant swings. So again, you want to look at the chart as especially go right now. Okay, you cannot you cannot like identify like every like swing. You say like, okay, this is swing high, this is swing high, swing high, swing low, swing low. To me, you might have to kind of like, look in the bigger picture. You might have like move back a little bit, and then you see where is significant swing high and the swing low. Okay, based on H4 time frame, I would say that, okay, this one would be my, somewhere here, is my multi-swing high resistance level, I would say that, okay. And the swing low, I would say, okay, in this one could be my swing low support level, and we close to demand zone, okay. All right, or you trade GBP. GBP, first, of course, we say that this is your multi-swing low support level. This is your swing low as well. There's no swing high. This would be the swing high resistance level, which is kind of like overlap here. Okay, you to look here, right? Every tiny move, we're not gonna call it swing high, the swing. You need to look for a significant so you can draw Fibonacci retracement. Okay, significant swing, right? Whenever you see that it's like capital A or capital V or capital A, then you say that this is your multi-swing high resistance level, or this your multi-swing low, or this your swing low. Okay, whenever I see only one swing, which is whenever I go back again, they make only one swing, which is here, D1. Before this candle, I would say, okay, this is my weak high, or this is my high, or I move back somewhere here, because we only have one swing, right? So I would either say this is my high or this is my weak high, because on my left, you look on my left, there is nothing. There is for me nothing to reference. So this could be the ATH all-time high, or this could be the weak high, meaning that if price go back to this high and have rejected again, then I will consider, okay, this is my significant swing high, right? When you see that 2 times. So from week, I would say, okay, this is my significant swing high resistance level, because 1, 2, 3, 3-day price could not close above. You made 4380, meaning the body cannot close above. So this is going to be my significant swing high resistance level. Okay. Okay. And now support and resistance. We already know. Okay. I ask you guys, any one of you guys still don't know how to identify support and resistance correctly? Anyone? I told you the trick. Okay. If you cannot identify support and resistance, you switch to the line chart. Line chart here. Whenever you see like very again, whenever you change to the line chart, it's only capture the body, it's not the wick. So whenever you switch back to the candle, you need to adjust. If you want to draw the wick in the body, you will say this is your resistance level. This is capital A. This is my capital V, right? This is significant. Here. This one would be your, before that is your resistance. From the resistance, pull back, now become the resistance, right? And where is your significant? This is your pullback. This could be your support level. This could be your resistance. This could be your resistance. But then when you switch to the line chart, what do you? Then you need to adjust. Then you need to adjust the level. This and remember, it just capture your body. So if you want to draw the zone, this is going to be your D1 pullback resistance, pullback support level. So if today daily candle closing with the bullish candle, tomorrow this one is gonna be the support level for D1 time frame. Okay, you get the idea. I go to page 4, right? You see that from the resistance, support, this is just a go stop hunt. And support now gonna be the pullback your resistance now. It's gonna be the pullback support level right now. Okay, right now. Right? This is the one. How you're going to identify. If you want to draw, then you will say, okay, this is your resistance level. Right? When you go back, it will capture the wick. And then if you want to identify, you can draw the wick in the body. That's going to be the zone. But this could be my second resistance, right? My first resistance, I know that, but I was looking at this level. That's what I'm sell. Second, first, go to H1. In H1, this might be this is not significant to me. Significant to be there, but of course, you know, price was already you see that. From this, I just want to like sell for the pullback. Almost it's 900 pip, guys. I want to buy gold when it's holding. Okay, because one we sell right divergent here, remember? Lenny asked me, I saw the divergence here, I was waiting. This is very nice level for us to buy. The first one might be somewhere around here, but this level I want to see first. I mean, I want to wait first if I see the confirmation at this level. But this level is very nice because we have the demand as well. Right here. Okay. And remember, I still wait for price to come. And that was 61.8%. Right? The zone. Okay. And look on the M15. Lovely rejection. And don't forget, price has break. This is the break of structure. Okay, this is the break of structure. You go to H1, you will look really closely, right? You remember in H1 time frame, and price still make the BOS break of structures. And this level, price did not close below. This is the BOS. If they close below, but price did not. Okay, and now from this level, not break of structure, to me gonna be chain of character. Okay, because okay, resistance, support. Okay, price did not close below to continue like that. So this is my resistance level. So if price pull back to this zone, I'm gonna buy. The first buy I mentioned it's gonna be somewhere here based on the lower time frame, which is scalping, which is here. This is the safer if you want to buy. This might be high risk. Okay, so meaning that if M5 or M15 closing, that it can close, it may be from here, you may see a pullback, continue to go here or to here and then a pullback. Because keep in mind, price, I want the body close below 4072. I want the body close below. Okay, the body need to close below. All right, the body have to close below. Do you sell here? Do you sell here? Anybody? Do you guys sell here when I say divergent here? Okay. Now, if you did not sell, what are you going to do? Oh, I made the sell entry. We go to the higher time frame. The body close where? The body close below 4082. Okay. If you want to sell based on the OB is a pullback, this is going to be your sell entry. This one's gonna be your sell entry, which is if the pullback stop loss you put above 86. That's it. Okay. If the pullback here 79 or 80, this is the zones. Okay, how it M5 look like? It look like this. So just now falling, you see that almost 100 pip. Okay, yeah, wait for the pullback as supply zone. Okay. Now if pullback again, if you want to sell, you will have very tight stop loss already. Okay, you can just put the stop loss 87. Okay, whenever I see like that, right? I'm not gonna put my stop loss so far. If just now you close, you can re-enter again. Yes, M5 better engulf. But engulf already taken just now here. So whenever you see here, right, when you price closing engulf, you will get the entry at this level at 82. This one, and the price falling to like 70. Like just now what here, right? About 50 pip. But let's just say M15 or so closing with kind of like engulf and rejection. Yeah, we can wait for the pullback 79. Then we can have another sell entry. Okay. Then we have very tight stop loss. I will just got small sell. I'm gonna put like small sell. Okay. My stop loss, right, I put above this swing high. That's it. Okay, so I just enter my sell close to go to M1. Okay, so you see that, okay, based on M1, based on M1 time frame, the structure is not very clear yet because the low was here. Okay, if I want to look, wow, higher, higher high, higher low, higher high, high, higher low. Okay, never mind. Let's just wait to sell at this level. Stop loss you put above 87. Or I'm gonna use Fibonacci. This one will be 61.8. You're gonna use the meaning that you can wait for price to go above this or go in the yellow box. Then you sell. Okay, then you sell. Okay, now go back to the overlap. Pullback and overlap. How is pullback? You guys want to look at gold, right? Okay, here. Now I go back here again, okay? So in H1, this one used to be our resistance level somewhere here. So whenever price about to falling, we're gonna call this a pullback. Gonna pullback support level. Pullback meaning that they are testing the support level. Whenever price is pullback, we're gonna call overlap support level, meaning that this is going to be the strong zone. Okay, from this price break, if they're going to pull here, testing the level, if bounce from this is going to be your overlap support level, right? The resistance. Now it become your overlap support level. All right. Whenever you see the overlap, that is quite a strong zone. For example, okay. Basically, price go in the zone. You can have very small 0.01. You can sell now at the blue box. Okay, if you want to go to yellow, that would be 50%. But you can have a sell now. Small lot size if you want to. Oh, all right. If you ask me, TP, where? the recent low first about 80 pip. Then you can go for another here, 150 pip. Hey, Jamilu, nice to see you here. Yes, sell. Sell together, small lots, okay? Don't overtrade. Stop loss, just put above this 87. I have very tight stop loss and very small lot size. Okay. If you guys, okay, if you sell, this is we trade against the trend because look at D1. Last Friday's price closing with bullish candle and break above this resistance. You can today, I don't know why there's so many people buying gold. Okay. Right, you can see that. And it break D1. Also it break this and break this level. Okay, so you sell, just we sell for the pullback. Okay, pullback meaning that it testing the level, and we sell at the, you can say that psychological number, right? 4080. Okay, so now price is falling. First you aim for the swing low and take note of this level. If you want to buy this, you might be considered to buy this at this level. Okay, anybody sell gold with me? High risk. I put my stop loss 37, or maybe I put like 92. Depend. If price come, I have only like one entry, two entry. If go within this zone which is nearer to my stop loss, I can have another like layer. Okay, for example, depend on the strategies. Okay, for example, I put here like testing the water. Okay, I'm testing the water, so I just put here maybe like 0.1. If price rising somewhere around here close to my stop loss, I can go for 0.3 martingale. Depend, because I already managed my lot size. Let's say within this entry I could go for one lot, but I don't put here one lot, so I will just divide by maybe 0.02, 0.02, and then I wait. If price rising, because the zone is big, if price rising closing closer to the stop loss, I will go for 0.3. So whenever price falling, either falling here, I think based on my feeling, I don't feel confident that price gonna fall. I just close off with either balance is positive, I close off, or I wait for the price falling. Then maybe falling to this first entry, I close, then I hold on top. Yep, then it shift my stop loss from like 92 to maybe somewhere around here. Okay, so it depends. So the overall my lot size is one lot. Okay, so I just like divide into smaller one, because nowadays that gold move within 5 minutes more than 100 pip. So if I just want to put one lot, price move 100 pip, I will lose like 1,000 already. So I need to kind of like manage my lot size now, because gold is totally different from 2 to 3 years ago, right? Last time within like 5 minutes candle or maybe 15 minutes, gold moves about 30 pip, 50 pip. One day gold moved about 100 pip or 200 pip. But nowadays, one day gold move almost 1,000 pip, or between 800 to 1,000 pip so per day. So we need to manage our size. Okay, now go back to M5. Back here. 2 and 3. Okay, you have 2 and 3. I have 2 to 3 and 3. Okay. M4. Like I just mentioned here, right? I want to see the body close below 4072. This is where the price cannot close below. The divergence still here. By right, the divergence should be finishing soon. We see the confirmation with the bearish engulf, M15 as well. Bearish engulf with the long wick. Oh, I forgot to see. Based on the M30, we see the price action. I would say this is the price action. 2 candle engulf this, and the body is close below psychological number is 5, which is 4085, we can hold our sell entry, stop loss, put above, yeah, the swing high. Then you hold here. 150 pip. 150 pip. The body have to close below. Okay, so we go back here again. This is the support level. Whenever price rising, this is a resistance. Whenever they break, right? When it say we price pull back here, it testing the level, we call pullback. When price bounce, we're gonna call overlap. So this zone, the intersects, right? This is gonna be the strong support level when you see the bounce from there. Okay. Let's say price falling. Support level, they need to bounce, right? But there's not. They break. Pull back when they're testing. This one gonna be the overlap. From here, it's gonna be the overlap. This one gonna be the pullback. Okay, so you don't know how to identify. You look for the capital A for the resistance, capital V for the support level. If you don't know to look, the trick is that you switch to the light chart. I recap for you guys. Okay, go on a higher time frame, weekly, D1 or whatsoever. You see this? You see the okay, this is a support level. Okay, this is a support like yeah, support level here, support level, resistance, right? Resistance and the resistance. Again, when you turn to the light chart, it only capture the body, not the weight. So you need to adjust the level. Okay. That should be all for the support and resistance. Okay, whenever you identify, we already identify, right? Then you can use the Fibonacci. This is the swing low. This is the swing high resistance, swing high resistance, or this is the high, and this was the low, right? Based on the bigger picture right here, this is first resistance, second resistance, we have 50% fib, so this is going to be the zones. Okay, so if you sell, okay, don't overtrade. Based on the key level, I would say the next resistance level is going to be here, which is second resistance. Right now, price is testing our first resistance level right here. I go back to H1. H1, okay. Let's just look for the candle. I remove. Okay. H1 closing is not ending with N-graph, right? Based on H1 time frame, because you can see the body is still shorter. It's just that this is going to be the one is psychological number, or the thing that, okay, this is the price a lot of people want to sell, and the body is still closing below psychological number, which is 85. But if H1 closing, the body close above, okay, I think you're going to hit the stop loss. So what you need to do, you need to wait for either H1 to close, or based on the M30, okay, I'm sell up I'm okay with, I put the stop loss here. If price hits stop loss, I'm okay with that. Okay, you shouldn't adjust the stop loss based on this. Okay, now price is rising, meaning that everybody buy at 4076. You can see there is no seller based on the wick. There is no wick at all. You can see that this candle, meaning there's strong buying. And it's still within our zones. You're gonna look still within our sell zone here, right? So what we need to do, sell. Again, sell still high risk, but we just sell. Price break this high. Price haven't closed below this low. This is the BOS, right? Break of structure. So price might falling here. That's why you will see that someone buy at this level. But to me, I'm not gonna buy here because it's too high. From me, if I want to buy, I'm wait at this level. Okay. Price go back again. Go back to the entry. If you not chip stop loss to break even, then come back again. And then you may consider. I haven't do anything, okay, because is that the entry? And size is small, I still can hold. Yeah. Okay, any pair guys, now you guys can request. We have like 10 minutes to go. Anyone want me to look for the key level? Now guys can you guys can request. Okay, come. BTC for sure. BTC. Okay, let me look on a higher time frame. BTC. Well, this is the resistance level, guys. Right now, this is your resistance level. Basically, you're gonna look for the sell. You can sell. This is your sell zone. This is your sell zone for the BTC. Now, you sell here. Your TP is gonna be here. Okay, that's support level. Now, if you want to wait for confirmation, no, right? I would say the ranging, the low here, the high still here. M15. Okay. M15, I also don't see the confirmation. I would say that it was ranging sideways. It was sideways in M15. Let me have another sell entry for gold. Okay, let's see. So this is the sell zone, guys. Either M15, the body still close. They might want to make the M pattern. If they can break, pull back. Okay. Or I go to M30. I only see the rejection. So I think it's good to sell. The zone is big. So you will sell now. Just okay. You want to look at that. Price might go back up. If you sell now, you can sell, but you just manage your lot size. Price might go back up to make the divergence before it reverses. Or maybe from here, you'll see the bounce this level. Right, to go here and maybe falling. So to make the divergence. So for sell, you can sell because in the zones, okay? Start to make the divergence here. But here won't have divergence, ma. Right, so either want to go up or I don't see the divergence, then I say that, okay, I will sell. I was thinking that M15 is make the equal high. Here, I go to M5. Yep. Still within the zone. I mean the zone and then it's sideways. In the bigger picture, your sell zone is here. We're gonna look for the sell entry, okay guys? The BTC, BOS here. I think almost year end. Let's say trust me. The investor already sell off BTC to go enjoy life, right? Whoever buy BTC to all the way all-time high. Here, now it's almost year end. It's November. And remember, I told you guys before that the divergence here, weekly, here. Extend the divergence in here to here, right? I will tell you that the BTC is still falling. Weekly, ATH all-time high, divergence here, strong divergence. And to complete divergence, this is the level, and price had really close below the neckline here, right? The weekly, complete the divergence here. So it's time for them to just, sell off and go enjoy life. If you want to buy, Sinware all the way below, right? If you want to make based on market structure, you say, okay, BTC, yes, I agree, still on the bullish BOS. This, if they close above, this gonna be break of structure, right? But divergence here, they're gonna fall. To bear, to buy, here will be someone already buy the BTC at the OB here, right? For the weekly, this level. Okay. Buy the low. And here is what at where 90, 98. Okay, so I'm gonna look for the sell entry by look for the sell entry. If not, price did not respect, and then the buy zone would be here. Oh, sorry, another sell zones will be here. This level. Okay. Here or right now or here. TP1, TP2 somewhere here. But you can here for because here got demand zones. EU, okay, last one, let's look at EUSD. EUSD is my sell zone there, guys. This my OB in H4, right? When I zoom in, you see that this is my sell zone. For the OB, you see my sell zone. So I will sell and my stop loss put here today. A TP1, actually I aim here. But it seems like, yeah. This is the sell price wall reacted off from the resistance just now falling. 17 pip. A quick look on the dollar. Okay, dollar, I think dollar gonna rise. Above from this support level, OB, EU, negative correlation at the resistance pullback. So you're gonna see falling. So I think hope gold gonna fall as well. Okay. The resistance OB here, DXY support level, both from the bullish OB. So yeah, hope to rise up. All right, guys. Okay, you sell EU. Okay, cool. Yes. Hold first. But if you sell EU, you take note of this OB, okay? Here you might see the bounce. So if you want to hold, you ship stop loss to break even. Okay. You might see the bounce a bit. Okay, let me look on market structures. Yeah. Based on market structure, I still look for the sell entry. Break of structure here. higher low high lower low pullback. So I'm gonna say like the pullback here. If they can close below this swing low, they're gonna BOS and a pullback sell. Okay. Gold did not move anywhere. I think they are waiting for the New York section already. Our gold is not moving. I like blue, red, blue, red. Yes, EU, the roadblock now. Yeah. Let's just see. If EU you sell, target here first, maybe. Able to sell in there. That will be about 20 pip. Or you can aim for the TP1 here at the low. Okay. And go sideways right now. Okay, go back. Let's just finish up with gold, okay? Okay, just now what rising? 82 falling to 79, like scalping 20, 30 pip, you guys might close already. Market also traffic jam at this hour. Yeah, no, actually during like this hour, somehow the market is very quiet. Okay. You know, after the London session open, right? You see the move is so quick, and after that they take a break. Okay, jam already. Yep. Then after that they will continue again during the New York section. Maybe the lunchtime right now. Is it right now? Is lunchtime over there at the London? No, it's still morning. It's about 10:30. 10:27 a.m. Okay, guys, any question before in the webinar? If you still hold your sale, you are with me. Okay, I think I might happy with the profit already. I might want to close and then go for my dinner. Okay, because my time is already dinner. Oh, I didn't know you guys cannot see my face. My webcam is just like, I don't know why. Any question, guys, before I end the webinar? It's nice to see you guys here. Okay, you're welcome. See you guys next week. Okay, so next week is gonna be channel line, trend line. Okay, I use that as well. I use the channel line for my elite wave. Okay, so let's just see whether gold gonna fall all the way to give us another 100 pip, or if you short at 82 right now, if falling, you should be already make a profit. Stop loss. Okay. Could you please teach us a course about stop loss with the different methods? Okay, so I think I'm preparing for the webinar in December. I think the December I'm gonna talk about the stop loss. Okay, like trade management. I think it's good for the beginner, or if you like have no idea where to place a stop loss, I think that would be the good session for you. Thank Lily for a suggestion. I will put that on the next webinar. No, should be December, because for the November I already planned out. Now I'm planning for the December webinars. Okay. Okay, go falling. I'm so happy. I might want to close. So guys, if any one of you guys sell, BTC is falling. Okay, let me see. BTC is falling. Go also falling as well. ATI is very good. Yes, our wow. Good job. I did not sell BTC because I sell gold. Gold is falling. I'm so happy. If you sell BTC, I'm happy for you. Let's just say go BTC falling. Right? This is a good for to say BTC. You can aim for here. Okay, you put here first as well. Let's just put your TP as like 105 TP. Okay, now if H1, well, you see that in H1 time frame, right? Seem like the opening hour You see that? Nobody willing to buy here. Everybody, if you read the candle, right? 100 people, let's just say 100 people is 100 people sell BTC. Nobody buy. You see that? Buy, sell. So it's good. Good side. Okay? All right, guys. That should be all for today. Thank you so much. Direct reach. Okay, see you next week. Bye for now. Good luck. Bye, guys. Take care. You're welcome. Bye.